Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benlow here with a little short video to get you geared up and psyched up about Unit 3. A lot of interesting things we're going to be talking about this week. Watergate, being one of them. Just amazing stories to tell. We're going to continue our journey into history. Okay, anyway, about our schedule this week, Monday, which will be March 1st, office hours will be held from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm very psyched about this because I am going to do it via Zoom. You can click on the Zoom link and you can chat with me about absolutely any questions you have in this class. Love it, love it, love it. You can, of course, also email me or message me through the C2 app as well, but I just thought I'd add that little feature. I'm going to be posting an announcement about it. I'm kind of psyched about it. Okay, then Tuesday, March 2nd, we will be holding chat number 3 at our regularly scheduled time. Check out our classroom for details. Okay, remaining Unit 2 due dates. Remember, Unit 2 is a big deal because of Unit 2 discussion board. So Tuesday, which will be March 2nd, you have two important things due in this class. Firstly, on Tuesday, March 2nd, you will have your Unit 2 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Secondly, and very importantly, on Tuesday, March 2nd, you will have your Unit 2 response post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, my wonderful students, you have to respond to two of your classmates. And remember, I love my students. You all are so supportive of each other. But just don't say, great job, Donna. You answered all the questions that were asked in great detail. You really wrote this well. I enjoyed reading your work. Can't wait to read more. Well, that's amazing. I want you to go beyond that. I want you to tailor your post to your classmates' post and answer the questions that you see listed in the assignment details. Okay, and then Unit 3 due dates coming up, everybody. Friday, which will be March 5th, you will have your Unit 3 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, everybody, it's incredibly important to complete the determined knowledge by the Friday deadline, because completing the determined knowledge by the Friday deadline allows the system to create the learning path or nodes that you will have to complete for the Tuesday and telepath deadline. And Tuesday, which will be March 9th, your Unit 3 in telepath will be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, everybody, that is my little motivational video for this week. Hope you all have a wonderful week, and please do not hesitate to contact me with absolutely any questions. Be well, everybody.